Hello friends, welcome back to the old shed I'm going to be tearing down to take out the St. Bernard acres and make a battery room out of it. Wow, look at the wasps, holy crap. And they're all over this shed. There's a group of them. There's a big group of them. So yeah, it's gonna be fun tearing this down. But look at the lumber. Oh, good stuff. All these 4x8 sheets, a 1/2 inch OSB, all the 2x, T111 on the outside. Anyway, that's not what I brought you in here for. Now I'm scared of the wasps. Y'all know I like these sinks. And you saw what I put in the cabin. Well, this one I found on the Facebook, one of the yard sale groups here locally. And $40 I paid for this thing. It is so awesome. And this one I'm going to do a complete restoration on and make it look new again. It has some surface rust in areas, but no rust through. I absolutely love this thing. This is from what has been, all the drawers are smooth. Cabinets, of course, you know, a little rust, but no rust through, just surface rust under every sink. And it has the serial number on it. And the Youngstown Kitchens group that I belong to, when I did the other cabinets that I have in the cabin, I posted that in there, and pictures of this. See that? Youngstown Kitchens by Mullins in Ohio. They said this was 1946. So it is totally awesome. Got dividers in this drawer, adjustable dividers. In this cabinet, you have a pull-out shelf and a pull-out cutting board. They said it was really pretty rare. Looks like it's barely used. I mean, that's gonna look so nice refinished. But yeah, this piece is just awesome. I love it. And like I said, I'm gonna sand it all down and strip all the paint off, sand it down, and I don't know, I might paint it the original color. But I might replace the one in the cabin with this, since the one in the cabin is not a match set. The sink that's on the base in the cabin, Gail found the sink years ago in one place, and then I found all those cabinets. If you remember, a couple years ago, a lady was throwing them out, and I just made the cabinets work with that sink. And they're not, you know, they don't sit on there right, but good enough for a cabin. And then I found this is a set. So I may just refinish this. See if I can find original knobs for it. I may just refinish this, paint it the same color, and put it in the cabin. Then all those cabinets in the cabin and what I got left in the barn will all become part of the canning room that I'm going to build inside the barn. But yeah, this thing is, I just love this thing, man. I can't believe I paid $40 for it. So I'll spend probably 40 or 50 bucks refinishing it, and I'm going to have a hell of a cabinet and sink here. I just don't know where I want to use it. Holy crap. But 1946, that makes it 75 years old. And it's in really great shape. There's no chips in the sink. This is dirty. And I think CLR will clean this up. And this porcelain will look brand new. So yeah. Make sure you subscribe and follow along, because here at the house in Wheeling with running water, I'm going to clean it all. Clean the sink and everything. Sand it down, because I have electricity here too. Sand it all down. And then I'll take it out to the barn and I'll paint it in the barn. Wow. So yeah, this is my short little video for you. My Youngstown kitchen by Mullins. Another cabinet. I'm going to leave it to the wasps for a while. I guess tonight, after dusk, they quit being active. I'm going to come out and spray all the nests I can find. But this thing, hell, I built this thing 15 years ago. And it's time to get rid of it. I mean, I got the new one. But, and clear out this ironweed. I hate this ironweed shit. But you can see where the groundhogs have gotten in it. But that's still good T111. So I got what, 2, 4, 6 full-size sheets of that. 5 or 6 sheets of the USB. Probably 30 or 40 8-foot 2x4s, the trusses. I mean, that's some good lumber in that thing. Until the prices got to where they are, you know, usually I just had, look, somebody come and tear this down, you can have it. But now I want all that lumber. I'm not giving all that away. All right, this is Joe out here in Wheeling. I'm out.